Hello everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome back to our channel. So as you know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And in this series, we are continuously making YouTube videos on various softwares. Along with that, we are also providing live online classes. So if you want to join our live online classes, you can find the details in the description. And if you want to continue with our YouTube videos, then let's find out what is today's topic. So today we are going to discuss how to provide extra reinforcement in beam. Now actually what happens, there are many apps through which you can provide reinforcement in various structural members of your model. But when it comes to providing the extra reinforcement, then these apps fails when you have to provide a single extra reinforcement. Otherwise, these apps will allow you to provide double, triple or even 4 extra reinforcements. But for the single extra reinforcement, you need to use the rebar. So let's learn how to use the rebar to provide the single extra reinforcement in the beam. So if you are our regular viewer, then you must know that this is the interface of Tekla structures, and I have already created a model of beam and I have provided the main reinforcements. Now, what I have to provide is a single extra reinforcement. So I will start it from the bottom. So I will go to the rebar, choose bar, then select my object, then I will define the direction. Now I will come back in the same direction and then hit the scroll button of my mouse. Now you can click on interrupt and you will see that you have provided the bar. Now you can also change all the parameters of bar from here. So it is good for the bottom bar. Let's provide the top bar and we will change the parameters over there. So to provide the extra reinforcement, all you need to do is to go to rebar, choose the bar, select the object, then define the direction by choosing the endpoints, hit the scroll button, then come back in the same direction and hit the scroll button. So you can see that your bar has been provided. Now all you need to do is to position it correctly. So I will just select this bar and change its parameters. So I will make this plane positive 33 and you can see it is at the right position in the height. And now I need to change this. So I will make it 25 for the cover and 2400 for the sides and I will leave it. So you can see I have provided my bar over here. Now all you need to do is to make it a hook. So I'll provide a hook of 90 degree and click on modify. So you can see you have your desired extra reinforcement at the top. Similarly, you can make it for the other end. Now that is all for today. So keep practicing about the Tekla structures, and if you want to join our live classes, you can find the details in the description box. You can let us know. All you have to do is to fill a Google form and our team will connect with you. If you want me to make such videos on any particular topic in Tekla structures, then do comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.